all of you. I, Hiryut Pant of class 4th is going to recite a poem on a patriotic theme. Some things cannot be expressed in words. My eyes are a little wet seeing the free flying birds. These tears are of happiness seeing the birds fly in the sky. Thanks to the fearless leaders who faced it all, making tough times pass by. There may be many things can't be lived without, but freedom is what I cherish the most without any doubt. Love can speak volumes even when words become less. Love for freedom has left some of us blessed with this freedom. These moments we share. Let's learn to care for the people around us. Care for our nation in every possible way. Jai Hind.
My dear friends, my name is Aryadip Sakha from class 4A. Today I am going to recite a poem named Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wars. Where the words come up from a depth of truth. Where tireless travel stretches its arm towards the perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into clearly desert sand of dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by deed into ever-winning thought and action into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Adnaf Thakur of class 4th. Now I'm reciting a poem on Oh Mother India. Oh my nation, my India wants to worship you, wants to be stuck on you. Everything which is mine wants to sacrifice on you. Way of life I made to you, name of your strength me, fame of your arrogant me. How I am gratitude to God that He gave birth on the planet of your. Oh India, I always feel be proud that you give me a peaceful place in your heart. Oh India, I always salute you, I always love you. Vande Mataram. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello friends, today I am from class 4th with an poem of patriotism. Its name is Oh My Tricolor, You Are My Bride. So let's get started. Oh my tricolor, you are my bride, making me strong and happy inside. Beauty you have, like a new bride. Oh my tricolor, you are my bride. You are inspiration, passion you provide, loved by your legs, respected nationwide. You are splendid and popular worldwide. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Our national animal is tiger and our national heritage animal is elephant. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Our national river is Ganga and our national tree is banyan. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Our national reptile is king cobra and our national bird is peacock. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride and oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Our national flower is lotus and our national fruit is mango. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Our national song is Vande Mataram and our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Our national emblem is Ashok Chakra and our national flag is Tiranga. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Oh my tricolor, you are my pride. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
It is Umang Jain. My class is 4A. Today's topic is I love my nation with Himalayas in the
you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pardal and I am in 4th A. Today I am sharing you poem. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. The whole world is together, the whole world is together someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. Thank you, have a nice day.
Hey ma'am, my name is Ekasri Lati from class 4th A. Will recite a small poem on my country, India. India is my country, India is my country, India is my country, India is my country. We all are its boundary. We have to protect it from terrorist robbery. India is my country, India is my country. We live here with peace. We do not want peace, which will separate us from peace. India is my country. India is my country. We have the temple of gold. We have Bodhisattva gold. We will defeat our enemy who will come in our peaceful road. India is my country. India is my country.
Good morning, ma'am and my dear friends. My name is Anand Roman. I am from class 4A. Today I am going to recite the poem Motherland India. My motherland, she is so beautiful and bright. She gives me home, shelter and light. And we proud past history full of struggles and victory. I love India. Jai Hind. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am Shan Sharma from class 2A. Today I am presenting one poem. Something cannot be expressed in words. My eyes are little red, seeing the free flying birds. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Arnav Tam studying in class 4th A. Today I would like to present a patriotic poem. India is my country, we all are its boundary. We have to protect it from terrorist robbery. India is my country, all are its boundary. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kanchita. Today my topic is patriotic activity. Let us bring happiness to each face. Thank you, have a nice day.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. I am going to tell you about education poem written by APJ Abdul Kalam. My dear soldier, good defender, and you have a